Hi, ma'am and sir. I am Josefina Bruno Sumira. I am single, no child. I am 47 years old. I came from Tagum City. I had two past employer. My first employer in Singapore, age 86 years old. I taking care of old woman. I do cooking, cleaning, and do marketing. My second employer, they have three children, age 16 years old, 14 years old, and 5 years old. I do cleaning, cooking, and marketing. Morning, I send to school the children. Afternoon, I fetch them from school. Every morning, I prepare them foods. And night dinner, I do cooking for them. Ma'am, sir, if you hired me, I guarantee you, I am a better person. I am a good person. I am a good domestic helper. I guarantee you, I am trusted, honest, loyal, and hardworking. Thank you, ma'am and sir.